Welcome. Thank you for watching my video. We're going to be looking at vector today. So every question you have of vector, be ready. We're going to solve everything related to it. For now, instance, we're going to have summation of vector. We're going to have subtraction of vector, two vectors, and we're going to find a scalar product. We're going to look for cross product, which is also known as vector product. We also look for scalar product, which is also known as dot product. And after that, we're going to find the magnitude, and we're going to look for the angle. We're going to find the angle between A and B. So, with that, let's start. For dot product, this is known as what? Dot product. We know this kind of solving to be called dot product. So dot product. And dot product is the same thing as scalar product. We might be asked, don't be confused. So it's the same thing as what? Scalar product. Okay? So now, for this, I'll still have my A to this, which is going to be 4i minus 3j plus 2k dot my b to be I plus 2j minus k. Okay, so I'm going to multiply, and when I'm multiplying, I'll multiply like terms. I repeat, like terms. For instance, I will multiply I, j will multiply j, and k will multiply k. So with that, this I will remove, this j will remove, this k will remove, just remain the plain number alone. Okay, like this now. We're going to write 4i times I minus 3j times 2j plus 2k times minus k. Okay, what do we have? 4i times I, 4, minus 3j times 2 minus 6, 2k minus k. We're going to be having minus 2. So this will give us 4 minus 6 minus 2. Our answer is what? Is going to be minus 4. So minus 4 is our answer for that. What about for cross product? Cross product is also known as vector product. So cross product is also known as what? Vector product. So for here now, we still have the same thing here. 4i minus 3j plus 2k multiplied by plus 2j minus k. Now how do we solve this? So A multiplied by B, that's our cross product, will give us, what do we have here? We have here to be I. What do we have here? We have here to be j. What do we have here? We have here to be what? K. Using 3 by 3 matrix. Here is what? 4 minus 3, 2. That is coefficient of j is what? Minus 3. Coefficient of I is what? 4. Coefficient of 2 is what? Is k. Of k is what? Is 2. And here, our coefficient is I here is what? Is 1. Here is what? 2. And here is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 times k is minus k. Minus 1 times k is equals to minus k. That's why the coefficient here is what? Minus 1. Okay, now this is, I'm going to use 3 by 3 matrix now to solve this. Now, first of all, I'm going to have I'll cover this part, then I'm left with this. I'll cross multiply. By having something like this, exactly. If I should close this, I want to close this, I'll be having minus 3, 2, 2, minus 1. Minus j, this place we have constant minus j. I will show you how I have constant minus j in our next problem, but we don't need it here. So here, I'm going to close the middle part. Since I'm dealing with j, I'm going to close the middle part. Then I'll be having 4, 1, 2 minus 1. I believe you are familiar with this. And for k plus k, yeah, I don't put minus k, I just put plus k. Now I'm going to cover this and let's do this. Then I have 4, 1, minus 3, 2. Okay. Now with that, not wasting time, let me clean this and let us look at what's next. From here, minus 3 times minus 1. Minus 3 times minus 1. Minus into bracket 2 times 2. Okay? And here we're going to have minus j. 4 times minus 1. Minus 1 times 2. Just like multiplying each inside. Then you have that's side here to be what? Plus k. Into 4 times 2. Minus, multiply the both side here, 1 times minus 3. Okay, from here, minus 3 times minus 1. Minus times minus become plus. 3 times 1 is 3, so plus 3. Put a minus, 2 times 2 is what? Is 4. Okay, minus j. From here, 4 times minus 1 will give us minus 4. Your minus sign, 1 times 2 is what? Is 2. Okay. Plus k. 4 times 2 is what? Is 8. And we have a minus sign. 1 times minus 3 will give us minus 3. Okay. So here I into bracket 3 minus 4 is going to give us minus 1. Because you're owing 4 naira, you have to pay 3 naira. You'll be left with 1 naira to pay. So minus j, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 plus k. 8. Minus times minus is what? Is plus. So plus 3. 8 plus 3 will give us 11. Okay, from here, I times minus 1 give us minus I. Minus j times minus 6, minus times minus plus j6, and k times 11 equals plus 11k. So these are my answer for this. Okay, that's how we solve cross product. Remember, cross product is the same thing as vector product, and scalar product is the same thing as dot product. Thank you. Two vectors A and B are given by A to be equal to I plus j minus 2k, and B to be equal to 3I plus 4j plus k. And we are asked to find the magnitude of A and B, the scalar product of A and B, and the angle between A and B, and the magnitude of the vector product of A and B. First of all, if you have watched my previous video, I want to put in the comment section below. I want to mark you as one of the very good and competent students. If you can tell me what is the other name of scalar product and what is the other name of vector product. I mentioned it in my previous video. So tell me now in the comment below. Not just you just watching alone. You must be active. Okay, now the magnitude of A and B. The magnitude of A and B, which is I, is being symbolized as this. You do see something like this. This come across question like this. They say is on A and B. So how do we find this? Now, using our root method, we're going to say here is the quotient of I is what? Is 1. So say 1 square plus the quotient of this j is what? Is 1. 1 square, and the quotient of this k is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 square. Are you seeing it? Times the root of the quotient of this I is what? Is 3 square of this 4 is what? 4 square. Of this k is what? 1 square. So I'm going to solve this one. This is going to give us 1 square plus 1 square is going to give us what? 2. 1 square is what? Is 1 plus 1 minus plus 4. Rather. Times 3 square is what? 3 square is 9. Plus 4 square is 16. Plus 1 square is 1. So 1 times 1 is what? Is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is what? 6. Times 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 plus 9 is what? 26. 6 times 26 will give us what? 26 times 6. 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So with 158. So you can break it down. That is, if it has something you can let's try. Let's say 2 here, 3. No. That's 1. 2 into 15. We have it to be what? To be 7. And we have it to be 8, okay? We have 2 there. We have it to be 3. We have to be 9, 2 again. We have it to be 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can call it. Okay. This could also be known as 2 root 39. So we can call that 2 root 39 or root 1. Here now I'm going for scalar product. I said she give me the name of another name of scalar product. Now we're looking for scalar product now. The scalar product A and B is also known as scalar product of A dot B. A dot B. So A dot B, what is A? A will be I plus J minus 2K dot product of B, which is going to be 3I plus 4J plus K. Solving this, I times 3I will be 3. 4 times 4J plus 4 minus 2K times K give us minus 2. So 3 plus 4 minus 2 will give us 5. If you don't know this very well, watch my. So the angle between A and B, how do we find this kind of equation? You know what I'm going to do? The angle between A and B is equal to the dot product, that is the scalar product, divided by the magnitude. What do I mean? I mean that the scalar product of the two vectors, that is A and B, and the magnitude is going to be A with B. And we have solved it earlier where we have this to be equal to 2 root 39 and this is equal to 5. So how do we solve this? Point your calculator, look for 2 root 39 and do 5 divided by that, and with that you have gotten your angle. And remember your angle is equal to cos theta. Cos theta is equal to this. So anything it gives you, you look for the cos inverse of it, then you get your theta. Okay? So for here, we have 2 root 39 equals 12.5. And 5 divided by 12.5, if you want to calculate, you have 0.4. So 0.4. Okay? You have 0.4. Now, if you add 0.4, if you have to continue solving, You take this cos to the other side. Then, instead of it to have cos theta equal to 0.4, now taking this to the other side, you have theta to be equal to cos inverse of 0.4. So, I'm not with my calculator yet, so find the cos inverse of 0.4 and tell me your answer in the inbox below. After that, we have to look for the magnitude of the vector product of A and B. What is the other name for vector product? Vector product, another name is known as what? Cross product. Sorry for saying that. Looking for the cross product, that is for IB. Looking for the vector product, and looking for the cross product. So I'm going to look for the cross product first. So the cross product, and that is me having, we are going to I, J, K. Coefficient of this I is what? Is 1. Coefficient of this J is what? 1. K is what? -2. And the other one is what? 3, 4, 1. If I solve, I, 1, if I close here, 1 times 1 is what? 1. 4 times -2 is what? 4 times -2 is going to be -8. -8. Okay. There's minus here. So let me bracket it instead. Next one is going to be minus j. Yes, minus j. Into bracket, I close this middle side. Yes, here is 1. I close the middle side. I'll be having 1 times 1, that is 1. Minus 6. Okay. And the next one is going to be having plus k instead, plus k. And if I close here, 1 times 4, that is 4. And minus 3, okay, that's good. So I now, minus times minus is plus, 1 plus 8 is what? Is 9. So I get to be 9i. And here, minus times minus is what? Is plus. 1 plus 6 is what? 7. 7 times minus j is minus 7j. Okay. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 times k is going to be k again, and that is going to be plus k. So these are what? Our vector product, which is also known as our cross product. So now, they ask me to look for the magnitude of it. Now, looking for the magnitude of this now. Okay, I find the magnitude of this. And that will be 9 squared minus 7 squared plus 1 squared. And that will be giving us 9 squared is going to give us 81 plus minus 7 squared is going to give us 49 plus 1. So let's add everything together. Now the root of 49 plus 1 is 50. 50 plus 81. That will give us 131. Okay.